Hello folks, it's the Wolf Hunter coming to you from the Man Cave Studios. It's been a while since I posted about the Traditions black powder, and I cleaned up my nephew's old rusted guns if you saw my other video. I just wanted to give you guys an update. It's been a while. I caught the COVID and it was really bad, and I've had COVID before, but this one was terrible. It's my first time out. As you can tell by my voice, I'm still having a little difficulties. But I want to give my subscribers an update and show everybody what I got going on here. As you see, the traditional Kentucky rifle is done along with the pistol. And I did a little modifications on the pins, what do they call them? Truncheon pins to hold the barrels down. They told me to use the number 32, but as you see, I tried to use it and it broke. And there's the pins right there that come with it. The black pins, one in the front and one in the back here. So the owner told me just to be creative. I have my own hand at doing this. And I went and got this DeWalt 1/8 bit. And I use this brass rod from Lowe's, 1/8 inch, and I just drilled the holes and I put brass in there in each one of them, and I think it blends in well with the brass on the rifle itself. But that's what I've got so far. I want to bring you inside the man cave. Excuse the mess. It's been not been feeling well. This is my next project right here. This is the blunderbuss. Going with the traditional English chestnut, and gonna build that. And I got free rein on this also. And I'm gonna get with the owner first. And I'm thinking about, if it was okay with him, kind of incorporate either the flower pattern or the polished brass along with these 3 stars I have here in the stock. Here's the stock. Maybe it's something like this. Bear with me. And a diamond pattern facing the front, and incorporate the tack somewhere on it to give it that period look, 1800s or something. But that's what I got going on now. I don't have any AC in here, and as you people know, the great state of South Carolina gets mighty warm, so this might take me a little time to do this, but I'm just trying to get back in the swing of things. I thank everybody for watching, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. And as always, stay safe, watch your six. God bless America, and I stand with the people of Ukraine.